Hello guys, welcome back to channel. So today we'll learn the 5 phrases to appreciate someone for their excellent effort, achievement, their hard work, their dedication. So here I mentioned the 5 phrases. These 5 phrases cover the all type of scenario. So first one is the hard work really paid off. It means someone put the effort, dedication to achieve the success, or their hard work, dedication made some positive results. So that time you can use this type of sentence. For example, after studying all year, the hard work really paid off when he aced his exam. Aced means he achieved a very high mark. Next example, they trained for month and the hard work really paid off when they won the race. It's an easy example. Next, she practiced the piano every day and hard work really paid off during her recital. Recital means a formal public performance of music. So she worked very hard. So her hard work really paid off during her performance, you can say. So in that case, here are 3 example. I hope you got it how to use this phrase. Next, leave no stone unturned means try everything possible to achieve something. Here the one example. The detective left no stone unturned in solving the case. Detective means who is investigating the crime. Next example, she left no stone unturned in preparing for the competition. So here you can someone is saying she left no stone unturned means she left no any option in the during preparation for the competition because she don't want to take risk. Next example, we left no stone unturned to find the perfect venue for the event. Here speaker wanted to say that we search everywhere. There is no any possible place is left for the venue. Next, hit the ground running. Hit the ground running means someone is going to start the work with a very dedication and energy or enthusiasm. So that time you can use this phrase. For example, she hit the ground running on her first day at the new job. It means she put the all energy and with enthusiasm to do their first day work. Next example. The team hit the ground running and completed the project early. Here the team did the very well work to complete the project, you can say. Next example. To succeed here, you need to hit the ground running. So from these 3 example, you got it, I hope. Next, it is a very useful phrase. It used everywhere, even in the Hindi. When the in Hindi we say "khoon pasina," so that time you can say in English blood, sweat, and tears. This phrase used when you say very hard work and effort, often involving struggle. For example, it's a very famous example for everyone. They put in blood, sweat, and tears to build the company. कंपनी बनाने में उसने खून पसीने लगा दिए. So you can say in that way, they put in blood, sweat, and tears to build the company. Next example, write the novel took blood, sweat, and tears. Next example, the team's success was the result of blood, sweat, and tears. So this is a very famous phrase. You should remember always this. Crunch time. Crunch time is my favorite one. Crunch time is a time of period where you put the lots of effort intentionally to achieve the target before the deadline. Here some example. It's a crunch time. We need to fix all the bugs before lunch. So some you are working in team and you need to target to fix some bugs. So that time you can use this type of sentence. Next, during crunch time, developer often work late night. Whenever you have the deadline as a developer, so that time you need to put very lots of effort and intensive dedication to finish the work. So you can use this sentence. Crunch time can stressful but rewarding if you meet your goals. And the another example I wanted to add more. It's a crunch time. We need to finish this chapter before to our exam. Whenever you have the last day of your exam, so that time you can say this type of sentence. It's a crunch time. We need to finish anyhow because tomorrow is our exam. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in next video.